I'm sorry for the confusion for the past, well, for all of my lessons basically. What we covered last time, which I called diphthongs, some of them were just digraphs. So, sorry for any confusion that caused. You can see here sometimes a diphthong contains only one vowel, like sigh or so. These are diphthongs, combination sounds from one syllable. The dictionary does include a definition of a diphthong as a digraph which combines to make one sound, but we're going to focus on these as diphthongs to make it a bit easier. I also want to thank my friend Sam for pointing out my mistakes. Just before we move on, this writing's pretty crazy, but anyway, let's have a look at these diphthongs just quickly. We have a, I, oi, ear, ear, o, ow. Okay, and some examples here. We've got they, all these people here, you can't see. I, tie, oi, toy, ear, tear, the. This is ear. This is ear, ear, air, tear, tour, o, toe, and here, ow, tower. So don't worry about this part, tower. Okay, cool. Everything's all good. Let's have a look at center examination. Question 1, problem 3 of the 2008 exam. RE, awesome. Read through them yourself. See if you can find the answer. Let me read them for you now. There's 1, breath. 2, cease. 3, leaf. 4, reason. Hopefully it was kind of obvious. Number 1 is the correct answer, breath. This just makes a short eh sound. The rest make a long e sound, cease, leaf, reason. Where this might trip a lot of people up is it looks a lot like breathe. So if we put an E on the end, it takes on the same sound as this. Reason, leaf, cease, breathe. But without the E, it's just breath. The same thing can be seen in bath and bathe. I hope I'm not writing on an angle. See, we have bath and bathe. In American pronunciation, bath sounds like bath. I'm going to take a bath. In the case of breath and breathe, the E acts as a modifier to make this long sound. The same can be said for other vowels like O in reason or season. And here we have, magic E, cease. The last one is leaf, and it comes from Old English, well, I'm hungry. Old English where it was, Middle English was spelt like this, leaf. But then before that, it was like double E and then A, leaf. So that's why it looks like this, but it sounds like this. That brings us to the end of this lesson. Time for me to make like a tree and leaf.